This is a continuation of the brokerage module built natively inside Oracle NetSuite. If you missed the first episode, please stop and watch the overview session first. For this session, we're going to dive deeper into our brokerage module, the transactions behind a deal, and the dashboards that track it. A brokerage record is built around one sales order and one customer, but it can carry multiple purchase orders and multiple suppliers. So a broker sourcing from several vendors to fill one order still works from one single transaction. Under transactions, you can see the entire audit trail: the sales order, the two purchase orders, item receipt, item fulfillments, bills, and invoices, all linked in this one deal. So a broker can look at one record and see exactly what's been received, shipped, billed, and what's still open. Also, what has been paid. Under the Logistics tab, this captures freight at two levels: a rate for the whole brokerage, such as a vessel, or the rate tied to a specific container or shipment. So a truck leg and a vessel leg can each carry their own cost. As we go to Container Detail tab, this tracks the shipment containers by each and every shipment: status, type and size, which sales order and purchase order it ties back to, and the weights for each one of those. As we look at some of the other functionality within this brokerage record, we can communicate with all of our suppliers as well as our customers all through the Communication tab. For opportunities, we can send quotes. And for relationships, these are our contacts within the supplier records as well as the customer records, so we know who to contact in case of emergencies. As we slide over to system information, here we have an audit trail, a full audit trail of everything that's happened in this brokerage deal. One more sub-tab over, and we have our claims against shipments, where we can track each and every claim, photos, communication, etc. Scrolling up to the top, again, our Create Transaction button allows you to create standalone transactions, which links everything you do within this one brokerage deal. Every brokerage also has its own overview dashboard. At the top, I click on Dashboard. Brokerage Details rolls everything up from the record into one glance: dates, documentation statuses, export and customer approval. Below that, the all-important profitability. What was my profit estimated at the beginning of this deal, and what is my actual? And I can see at the beginning I had a 6.99% margin, and by the time the transaction was totally complete, I had a 7.31% total margin. If I scroll down, I can also see quantity positions and dollar positions for this brokerage transaction. Zooming out, the brokerage dashboard shows every deal at once: statuses, key dates, documentation, and approval processes across the entire book of business, not just one record. From here, a broker can scan dozens of deals, spot which ones are still open, which need customer approval, and which are missing documentation, all without opening a single brokerage transaction.